Hello hook loopers, welcome to my crochet channel. I'm Sarah. Today I'm back with a new Tunisian stitch that is an alternative rib stitch obtained using the Tunisian Treble Crochet. So this is also an opportunity for me to show you and focus on the Tunisian Treble Crochet, for which stitch I haven't done a specific tutorial in my Tunisian Stitches collection. So here it is. Today's tutorial will be extremely quick because the stitch is very easy and repetitive, but I think extremely useful to create an alternative ribbing for our projects. Here, as you see, I have already my swatch of 4 rows worked in Tunisian Simple Stitch. That is to say, I have started from a standard foundation row of 13 stitches, and then I've worked 3 more rows in Tunisian Simple Stitch for a total of 4 rows. Now in my 5th row, I will show you how the pattern works. First loop on the hook, as I always say, counts as stitch number 1. Then we will work into the next stitch, which is this one, under this vertical bar in Tunisian Simple Stitch. That is to say, we go with our hook from right to left under the vertical bar here. Yarn over, pull through, and drop a loop. Now we will make our first Tunisian treble crochet. So we yarn over twice, and we need to go with a hook not under the next vertical bar, but we will need to look for the corresponding vertical bar 2 rows below. So on row number 2 here, this one. So we go with a hook there. We yarn over and pull through, then we yarn over again and pull through 2 loops together, yarn over and pull through 2 loops together again, and that's our first treble crochet. Now we will work into the next stitch in Tunisian Simple Stitch here, and we will make another Tunisian treble crochet under the next vertical bar 2 rows below, just like we've done here. So yarn over twice, go look for the right vertical bar, this one, and insert the hook there. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And that's our treble. So just like in regular crochet, the treble crochet is similar to the Tunisian double crochet, but you need to yarn over twice and pull through 2 loops together twice. Okay, we will work under the next vertical bar in Tunisian Simple Stitch, and then we'll make another Tunisian treble. 2 rows below here, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and that's another treble. And now you know we keep on alternating just like I've done. Pay attention not to skip any stitches. They tend to hide themselves behind our Tunisian trebles. Now another Tunisian treble, yarn over twice, insert the hook under the vertical bar 2 rows below, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. See how the vertical bars tend to hide behind the stitches. So we make another Tunisian Simple Stitch and another treble. Now we are approaching the end of our forward pass, and we will finish just like we began, so with a Tunisian Simple Stitch here and a neat closing stitch. That is done, inserting the hook under both the front vertical bar and its back bar, and the back bar of that border stitch at the same time. yarn over, pull through and drop a loop. And the return pass for this stitch is the standard one. So you yarn over and pull through one loop only first, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops together, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, repeating this movement until the end of the row. Okay, so now I will work 2 more rows in Tunisian Simple Stitch off camera, and I will be back on row number 8, I think, to show you how the pattern proceeds. On row 8, we will repeat what we have done on row 5, with the exception that we will work our Tunisian trebles around the posts of the Tunisian trebles created before here. I'll show you. So first stitch is worked in Tunisian Simple Stitch. Now we'll make our treble, so we yarn over twice, and we will go with our hook around the post of our treble 2 rows below, so here. Okay, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So the work tends to roll extremely because we are literally stretching it out with our Tunisian treble crochets. So you'd better work loosely and extend your stitches as much as you can. Next stitch, you know it already, is a Tunisian Simple Stitch. Now we'll make another treble, yarn over twice, go with the hook around the post of the Tunisian treble created 2 rows below the second one, yarn over and pull through. You see I extend the loops a bit with my hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now I extend a bit more, yarn over and pull through 2, and that's our treble. Okay, this way the work rolls less. And this is how I proceed until the end of the row. Okay, now another treble. Okay, and this is the pattern, as simple as that. So you will keep alternating within a row between Tunisian Simple Stitch and Tunisian Treble Crochet, and in the length you will alternate between 2 rows worked in Tunisian Simple Stitch and 1 row where you add the Tunisian Treble Crochets. Always worked around the posts of the treble crochets worked in 2 rows previously. Okay, and this creates this beautiful relief ribbing that can be very useful as alternative for some projects, like when you work sweaters. And I think it can also be used to create lovely leafy designs with I don't know, with some decreasing and increasing. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. Maybe I will, and if I do, I will show you, of course. And as I said, super simple project. Of course, you will find in my Tunisian Stitches collection the other 2 standard ways to create ribbing in Tunisian crochet. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with another beautiful stitch in Tunisian crochet. Bye bye.